we need to remove the flapper. Remove this screw. Screwdriver access to remove this screw, and one more screw in here by removing this top screw. Remove this piece, so we need to remove this screw. Carefully remove the bottommost screw. Remove that very gently and retain the screws for reinstallation. Link in the description below for how to purchase this new bracket, spring and screw. The new spring that comes with this will just install straight through the top hole into the new bracket. We have one of the screws in, and that's going to just help us set initial alignment for the other two. A couple turns. We get everything piloted. Just crank down each one equally to set this. We want to rerun the wire back through very gently. So the long end comes through here and it pilots through these two arms. Door has a hole right up here. So we put this in here and then we drive this down cylinder into its corresponding hole. Note the spring's now under tension, and that's good because it should provide some resistance. Our tail piece here, and reinstall it so that the wires aren't stressed. Tuck the wire in. So when this piece comes through, it will not stress a wire. We're aligned. We could bring this up as a whole. Should click into place. There's our click. Will be held with this set screw, just as before. This is the reinstallation of the top screw. Just run that back down. So now that's tight. We have a working flapper door. These spring loaded. So ideally, when we close the door, it spring loads back into position. Now it aligns every time. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks and have a great day.